So if we've got these inner resources, we might as well appreciate them. So we're just going to check through them, make sure that we have access to them. So just take a breath. Everybody can loosen their shoulders after that and maybe take a few deep breaths. Let's just steal an exercise from a parallel text called Gesture of Great Love. Just rub your hands together. Be physical. Give them a good old, quite fast, quite brisk. You can include the back of the hand and the wrist. Give them a good wring out. Wash them in a way you haven't washed them since COVID. Do your Lady Macbeth. Out and spot. Good. And then just bring your hands to the center of your chest, one on the other, on your heart region. Close your eyes, bow your head a little, and let yourself breathe. You might feel movement in the body as you breathe. Sure, there'll be rib movement. As you kind of sense back almost through the clothing, can you feel the pulse of the literal heart? Can you feel the sensations of the upper body and the chest? Can we soften? So when I talk about appreciation in the next exercise, there's kind of a heartfelt sense. So the kind of goal of this next practice is to touch in and to bring some inner peace and harmony. So you can close the eyes, soften the gaze, allow the hands to gently come away when you're ready, no rush. Maybe chin's a little tucked in. And soft breathing. If any of you know the Kumne breathing, kind of gentle, relaxed jaw. So again, just note your locations of that inner team. The head center a little down from the crown and back from the forehead. In the center of the body of the head there. And the throat, the lower, softer part of the throat, that kind of softly more vulnerable area. Back in the body. That center, the center of the upper body. And the feelings around there. And then around the navel region, back into the body. The feelings of the tummy. It's a funny area. Sometimes it's percussive and noisy. So now focus quite specifically on the head center. And just express some appreciation for the mind's kind of myriad qualities, its many abilities, what it allows us to do each day. Can we express gratitude for the head in that heartfelt way? All its wonderful capacities. And then next, allow your awareness to settle in the throat. We can notice that the head and heart are linked by the throat. We could thank the throat, appreciate the throat for allowing that connection between the head and the heart, that free channel of communication. Softening, using, and showing gratitude and appreciation for the throat. Sometimes it's nice just to think of a warmth there, like the warmth of a nice drink with honey in it, or a nice hot chocolate with cognac in. That's a very Dutch drink, isn't it? Good cup of tea, good single malt, something soothing for the throat. And then let your awareness, when you're ready, trickle and filter down to the heart region and the heart center. Deep gratitude for the literal heart and how it plays a role on that inner team and for the way it beats faithfully. And then the feeling heart, or the heart center, for sharing our joys and sorrows through the good times and bad. The heart's ability to rejoice or to grieve or to express the big emotions and the poetries of our feelings. And creativity that might reside there sometimes. Deep gratitude. Allowing a softening and a warmth to the heart. And finally, focus on the belly, thanking it for its strength, its resilience, its energy that it gives us when it's functioning well, our confidence, our steadfastness. We could extend that heartfelt appreciation to the whole of the body for its strength and its resilience. Let that whole team know that each and every part is important in its unique way and as part of the whole. How each part supports us as we go through the day. How our goals are accomplished and our sense of satisfaction and happiness that's available when things function well together. And they're all appreciated and can all work together to resolve any conflicts or challenges we have. And then allow that feeling of the breathing, just to play through the centers or to touch into the centers one by one and as a whole. And let the breath play and circulate and dance through these areas of feeling, just inviting participation of the various places in the body.